Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my favorite type of video to do for you all, another install video. Finally, what are we installing today? Well, TRDJON has their own store, their YouTube channel. We've done stuff in the past with them, but they have their own store now where they are starting to distribute Tacoma parts, Tundra parts, 4Runner parts, everything like that. It's called Running for Tacos. I will leave the link down in the description for you guys, but they were awesome enough to send out OEM style fog lights. Plug and play right there. There is also a DRL function as well for this, but these are blacked out housing. They have projector style LEDs built into them. Unfortunately, they are like a wider color, so they're not gonna be yellow as if fog lights should be for you guys. However, it's blacked out. It looks awesome. Now, I have taken my front bumper off. You do not need to do this at all. TRDJON's video I will put down in the description as well because they set up the whole DRL function and they will show you how to do it without your bumper off. However, I needed to take mine off already to put this new hidden light bar in. That will be a separate video, but I'm gonna show you kind of the behind the scenes just to show you how OEM it goes into these two spots of your bumper. So let's go ahead and just get them installed real quick. But if you do not take your bumper off, all you have to do is just take out this fender lining a little bit, just right here, to bend it back, and then you basically just be working in this section. So the first parts we're gonna take off is just these two Phillips screws right here. And then after that, that's it. And the stock one comes out. So as you can tell, these brackets match up. Those ones are back a little further. These ones right here are up a little further. You do not need to transfer over these brackets. These ones are already built in. But man, look at that darker look compared to this all chrome. All right, so all you're gonna do is take your housing. They say R and L on them. So this one has an L. Think of it as you're sitting in the vehicle. So this is the left-hand side of the vehicle as you're sitting in it. You take these two smaller tabs. There's little notches right in here. Go ahead and set them in. And you can see these holes line right up. Or take your same Phillips screws, go ahead and place them in, and it's done. And then all you do is just take this one right here and plug it into your stock wiring harness. This one right here is for DRL mode. You don't have to do DRL mode if you don't want to, because personally for me, I'm not gonna do it because you have to splice into existing wiring in your vehicle. But you could see that done in TRDJON's video. My God. So I could see doing that under your fender would be pretty difficult. There's these little tabs right here that you just wanna hit in. So there's a tab right here and a tab on this side that if you can get like a flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool, that would help significantly trying to get it out. But getting this one out again, there's the screws. So if you like to put this back on, you can. I honestly see no point of it really. It's pretty sturdy, so I'm not gonna put it back on. So the color temperature pretty much matches my LEDs up above and my low beams. It's about 6,000-ish K, 5,500 about 6,000. But you can tell the lower cutoff right there is of the fog lights. So since it is a projector housing, it has a nice little cutoff to it. They look pretty killer being all blacked out like that. Obviously, you still have the little bit of chrome where the projector housing is, but other than that, the surround looks really, really good. It's pretty dark out, so I only have my low beams on right now, and we're gonna go ahead, once these cars pass, turn on the fogs. And now the fogs are on. You can see how it catches a little bit to the left and to the right, you know, because they are projector housings. A test, but turn it off, back on, off, on. Then in the middle, it's very hard when your low beams are very bright to really catch it. It's definitely like the stock housing on how far it casts out, but let's go back to the garage and I can give you guys my final thoughts. So in 2 days of using it, guys, I do like the product. I absolutely love the black stealth out look that it does give. The light output isn't the best. It's not insanely bright. It's the exact same as these with the stock halogens in it. The best light output that I have had in these stock fog lights is an LED bulb. H11s do fit in these, so if you're solely looking for brightness, definitely just spend $40, get a LED light and put it in there. But if you are looking for a darker housing to kind of have a stealth blacked out look and light output isn't a high priority for you, I would recommend these over the Morimotos. They're like $40 less. I don't know the light output of the Morimotos. However, the darkness looks the exact same. Baja designs are very, very expensive. That has like a yellow hue to it, and even the stock OEM Toyota ones are pretty expensive as well. So this is the cheapest that you'll get, basically. They do have military discount on their website. I did not get a discount code, guys, so I'm sorry for that. But if you guys are new around here, please consider subscribing for more videos like this. If this helped you out, please help me out. Give it a thumbs up, and I will catch you all in the next one. All right, see you later.